If you want to download apps on Google Pixel 9a, then we can use the Play Store, which is an app that is pre-installed on this phone. You can find it in the home screen, but if you cannot find it in the home screen, then you can also use the app drawer. So over here, in my case, I have the Play Store. In order to use this app, we need to be signed into a Google account, and then you can start searching for apps. Over here, you can make sure that you have apps selected. You can scroll down in order to try to find something specific. And you can also go to categories, for example, in order to look for apps by searching by categories, obviously. But if you know the name of the app that you wish to download, then of course we can go to search over here at the bottom, go to search apps, and we can enter the name of the app that we are looking for. And you should be able to either just press install immediately over here on the right side, or you can tap on the app in order to find more details about it. And then if you press install, you should be able to easily install the app and immediately open once it is installed on your phone. And the app will be automatically added to the home screen unless you actually changed that in the settings, and of course in the app screen as well. Oh, sorry, not the app screen, the app drawer. So that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!